Hey there, fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious folks. Today, we are diving into a fascinating concept that might just revolutionize the way we think about staying fit as we age. It's not about hitting the gym or following intense workout routines. It's about embracing a lifestyle that keeps us moving naturally. You've probably seen them, those vibrant, fit individuals in their 60s and 70s who seem to effortlessly glide through life with ease and agility. When you ask them about their fitness routine, they often give you a blank stare, as if the concept of exercise is foreign to them. But here's the thing, they're not lucky, and they're not genetically blessed. They've crafted a life that keeps them active without even realizing it. This phenomenon has a scientific name, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, or NEAT for short. And it's a game-changer in the world of fitness. Dr. James Levine, a researcher at the Mayo Clinic, defined NEAT as the energy we expend for everything that isn't sleeping, eating, or intense exercise. It's the cumulative effect of all those little movements we make throughout the day, walking to work, typing, doing yard work, even fidgeting. And get this, for most people, NEAT is the primary contributor to their daily energy expenditure, not the intense workouts we often associate with fitness. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The variation in NEAT between individuals is staggering. Research shows that people can burn up to 2,000 calories more or less per day, depending on their lifestyle and occupation. And here's the kicker, the majority of the world's population doesn't engage in formal exercise. So, it's not about hitting the gym or running marathons, it's about the little movements we make in our daily lives. So, how do these fit individuals in their golden years do it? They've built a life where NEAT is naturally high. Let's break down some of their habits. Cooking their meals. Cooking is a full-body workout in disguise. Standing, reaching, chopping, stirring, it all adds up. Cooking 2 meals a day from scratch keeps them on their feet for an hour or more without even realizing it. Maintaining their home, vacuuming, mopping, cleaning, these household chores are a great way to stay active. Research suggests that adopting these NEAT-enhanced behaviors can burn an additional 350 calories per day. So, the next time you consider outsourcing your cleaning, remember the fitness benefits. Gardening. Gardening is an unintentional full-body workout. Squatting, kneeling, digging, it's all there. And the best part? They do it because they enjoy it, which is why they've been consistent for years. Consistency is key in fitness, and enjoyment is the predictor of that consistency. Walking for transportation. They walk to the shops, visit friends, and run errands. It's not a workout, it's a means of getting around. This subtle distinction removes the psychological barrier of motivation. You don't need to talk yourself into walking, it's just a part of your daily routine. Taking stairs as a default. It's not a conscious fitness decision, it's a habit. They simply use stairs when available, just like they use doors. This automatic behavior is sustainable because it doesn't require willpower. Carrying things, from groceries to grandchildren, they haven't outsourced the physical labor of daily life. Carrying and lifting provide natural resistance training, maintaining grip strength and bone density. Standing more than sitting. Research shows that NEAT movements can result in an extra 2,000 calories of expenditure per day beyond the basal metabolic rate. Simply standing instead of sitting is a powerful NEAT behavior. The fit older adults tend to stand while doing various tasks, defaulting to standing whenever possible. Active social lives. They meet friends for walks, play with grandchildren, and attend community events. Social activities in physical spaces naturally involve movement, keeping them active without even realizing it. Running their own errands. They don't batch errands for efficiency, they make multiple small trips throughout the week. Each errand involves getting up, getting dressed, walking, and carrying items, adding to their daily movement. Having a purposeful life. This is the key that ties everything together. Their movement is not separate from their life. It's woven into the fabric of a purposeful existence. Whether it's tending to their garden, cooking for their family, or playing with grandchildren, their body interprets these activities as reasons to stay capable. Now, here's the takeaway: these individuals haven't made the trade-off that many of us have. They haven't removed movement from their daily lives and then added it back in the form of structured exercise. They've kept the movement where it belongs, inside their lives. So, the next time you think about fitness, remember that it's not just about hitting the gym. It's about building a life that keeps you moving naturally. It's about architecture, not luck. And it's available to anyone willing to embrace a life that moves. I hope this inspires you to rethink your approach to fitness. Until next time, stay active and keep that body moving. Sign off with a catchy phrase or a call to action for your audience to engage with your channel or take action based on the video's content.